For weddings in 2022, think outside the box with these unique party favor ideas. 1. Mini bottles of hot sauce. Just print out the tag and tie it to a bottle of your favorite hot sauce. You've got an unforgettable giveaway that your guests will be totally hot for. 2. Mini bottles of sparkling wine. Pair your mini champagne bottles with these personalized labels to give your party favors a luxe finishing touch. 3. Pear soaps with a twist. Some of the best wedding favors have a clever hidden meaning, like these cute pear-shaped soaps packaged in a gift box that reads, "The perfect pair." 4. State ornament with a retro feel. Visiting a new place calls for a wedding keepsake for guests that'll help them remember the journey. 5. Koozies with your name on them. Tailgating during football season, lounging by the shore, enjoying a round at home, wherever your guests are, they'll appreciate having a koozie to keep their drinks cool. 6. Coffee bags that are useful if you're having a camp or otherwise outdoor themed wedding. Check this out for a clever wedding favor idea: individually packaged coffee in a tea bag. 7. Wooden keepsake ornament. If you're holding a smaller celebration, up the ante with luxury wedding favors your loved ones can hold onto as a permanent reminder of your special day. 8. Tea test tubes. Regardless of where you fall on the rivalry between coffee and tea drinkers, this take-home tea vial is a creative wedding favor that can also double as decor. Just imagine how pretty it would look sitting on a guest kitchen counter. 9. Lollipops with a twist. There are 8 unique flavors in each set, including sweet champagne and roses, refreshing rosemary and mint, and zingy lemon and thyme. 10. Bottle openers that come in handy, and thanks to personalization, these practical wedding favors will always remind your loved ones of you.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.